So today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite yarrows for cottage gardens. This is Rosa Maria, and this particular variety holds on to the color very well. Even as the flowers age, the tones are still vibrant and quite beautiful. This yarrow spreads vigorously, but it's not like a mint. It's not something you have to worry about taking over your garden. However, if you do have a small garden, be careful because you can see it likes to spread. But that plant has been there for about 5 years, and that's how much it has grown. So it's not terrible like other species that would just want to take over the whole garden. This plant pretty much just stays where it is. It's easy to control because you can just pull the rhizomes from the ground, so you don't have to worry about ending up with a plant that is going to become invasive in your garden. It's a really fantastic plant. It plays well with other plants, and I love putting it everywhere. I'm even using it around a septic system because it's able to compete with weeds and other herbaceous perennials. And the color is just such a great asset. Like when this pops up, adds a lot of color. You can deadhead the flowers when they are done, and you will get another flush of flowers in the fall. And here you have the Rosa Maria yarrow with pomegranate yarrow, which is this beautiful red dark color. They play well together, but the Rosa Maria has a tendency to want to spread more readily, so you definitely have to keep it in check to make sure that you're not losing one variety over the other if you're gonna keep them next to each other. One thing that I prefer about the Rosa Maria is the fact that it's more vigorous. Another yarrow I really like is a terracotta. So here you can see you have these beautiful terracotta color flowers that fade into a light yellow. This plant has a similar habit to the pomegranate in terms of it stays where you put it, and you have to make sure that you're weeding around it so it doesn't get overwhelmed by other plants. But it's a really beautiful tone that plays well with yellows. This is the Marguerite daisy, another one of my favorite